Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about the blood and nerve supply of the tongue. So let's begin. We'll study about the arterial supply, venous supply, lymphatic drainage, and nerve supply. The arterial supply is derived from the tortuous lingual artery, which is a branch of the external carotid artery. The root of the tongue is also supplied by the tonsillar artery, which is a branch of facial artery. And it is also supplied by ascending pharyngeal branch of external carotid artery. In this picture, we can see the arterial supply of the tongue. Venous drainage. The deep lingual vein is the chief vein of the tongue, seen on the inferior surface of the tongue near median plane. The venae comitants accompanying the lingual artery, they are joined by dorsal lingual veins. Venae comitants accompanying the hypoglossal nerve. These veins unite at the posterior border of the hyoglossus to form the lingual vein, which ends in the internal jugular vein. In this picture, we can see the venous drainage of the tongue also. Lymphatic drainage. The tip of the tongue drains bilaterally to the submental nodes. The right and left half of the remaining part of the anterior two-thirds of the tongue drain unilaterally to the submandibular nodes. A few central lymphatics drain bilaterally to the deep cervical nodes. The posterior most part and the posterior one-third of the tongue drain bilaterally into the upper deep cervical lymph nodes, including jugulodigastric nodes. The whole lymph finally drains into jugulohomohyoid nodes. These are known as the lymph nodes of the tongue. In this picture, we can see the submental, submandibular, and other deep cervical neck nodes. The nerve supply. The motor nerve supply of the tongue. All the intrinsic and extrinsic muscles except the palatoglossus are supplied by the hypoglossal nerve. The palatoglossus is supplied by the cranial root of accessory nerve through the pharyngeal plexus. Sensory nerves. The lingual nerve is the nerve of general sensation and the chorda tympani is the nerve of taste for the anterior two-thirds of the tongue except valid papillae. The glossopharyngeal nerve is the nerve for both general sensation and taste for the posterior one-third of the tongue, including circumvalid papillae. The posterior most part of the tongue is supplied by the vagus nerve through the internal laryngeal branch. This picture depicts the nerve supply of the tongue. Thank you for watching.